Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for vintage vinyl records and turntables business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. Vintage vinyl. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want about the vinyl records business. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here, what do you want to add on your website? So I'm gonna choose all these here. Now let's continue. Now go to dashboard, design your site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your if you wanna add logo, if you wanna change your business name. Here you can enter your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Now pick a theme you like, and let's move on. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, this. Add page to your site, and let's continue. Now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit your site, go to editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the settings of your website. So if you want to add elements, click here. So the first element we have here is the text element. So here you find you have the same text. If you want to select any form or any shape or the size of the text, you can select the titles, also the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. The image section. Here you find the if you're looking for something, if you want to upload or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the button section. Here the same the buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and the document buttons, and the iTunes button, and the Wix chat button. So here you find the payment buttons. If you have to add some payment buttons on your home page. Now let's move on to the strip. So if you wanna say edit or manage your strip section, classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonials, and theme, you have to add any one of these on your home page as you like. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the same lines, and the basic shapes. Also here we find rows and horizontal lines and vertical lines, and here we find vector art, featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and badges and characters. And here we find the last element here, the video box, video mask and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes element. Here we find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. Let's move on to the gallery. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. So here are the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here you find the in-page navigation if you want to add anchor and the in-page menu. And the last here is the search, the site search. So let's move on to the next elements, contacts and forms. So here you find the forms, all the forms you have to add on your home page. the contact forms and the order forms and the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So you have to add any one of these on your home page. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. This is the normal maps and the full width maps. So that's it. Now let's move on to the here the shots, the Wix shots button, and here you find the line button. So let's move on to the music and the video elements. Here you find the videos. If you want to add some single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, here you find the music element. If you want to add audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes slideshows. Also here you find the light boxes. Here we find the boxes, the over boxes and the tabs, and here we find the repeaters, the over repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters, and here we find the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, or if you want to edit the audio elements. So let's move on to the here to the advanced elements, marketing tools, or the Velo Dev mode, and here we find the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you wanna select any social bar from these bars, if you wanna add some if you wanna add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK or Line link, or if you wanna add some if you wanna add YouTube link, your channel or Wix channel on your home page. Now let's move on to the payments. Here you find the payments buttons and the payments forms and the pricing plans and the store. If you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site contents, and here if you want to manage your blog elements or the store or the bookings, if you want to edit the bookings elements or the related elements or the pricing plans, here if you want to edit if you want to manage and create events, and here you find the community section, the members, the volume and the groups and the online programs, and here you find your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, click here, select any section you want, and you can add it on your home page. Here if you want to add page and menus, so here if you want to add page, or if you want to edit the site menu. So that's it. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, so this is the color theme, the text theme, and the page background and the page transitions. Here if you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, easily manage your site content. Here if you want to manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.